Guys, Dolly is so sad. Her golden blondies are all messy with so much dirt. What can we do to help Dolly? Oh, let's think. Ah, I know. Let's help Dolly wash her hair. We just need a clean wash and her hair will be back to golden blonde. She'll be happy again. Now, what do we need to wash her hair with? That's right. Shampoo, water, hair dryer. But I don't have any of those. Worry not, let's use the magic pen to make all of those. First, let's begin with a shampoo bottle. Let's draw a square and a big rectangle outside. Now let's connect the top like this. Draw a small square on top and a tiny rectangle for the neck and a long rectangle for the cap. Ta-da! Now let's cover the entire thing in big bold lines. It's time for coloring. Now let's use pink for the shampoo label. Let's add a tiny dab to the neck as well. For the body and the cap, let's use green. Remember to color the cap and as well. All done! Now, let's wash Dolly's hair. Here's our shampoo bottle. Spray some on your hand. Now, let's rub them together to make the foam. Let's add the foam to Dolly's hair. Scratch slightly on her hair to wash away all the dirt. Look, Sky, all the dirts are gone. But Dolly's hair still have foams in it. What do we do? Ah, I know. Water. Come on, Guy, let's make a shower head. First, we draw a line and have a circle on top. Next, for the water pipe, let's draw a long shape, like a candy cone shape. Now let's connect the lines together. Here's our shower head. Let's cover them up in big bold lines. It's time for coloring. Let's use blue because it's the color of water. Ta-da! Here's our shower head. Now, let's get back to washing Dolly's hair. Use the shower head we just made and spray away all the foam in Dolly's hair. Look, Dolly's hair is all clean. But her hair is still wet. Now we need a hair dryer to dry your hair. Because remember, guys, if you don't dry your hair, you may catch a flu. Let's make a hair dryer. First, we draw the hair blower. Next, let's draw the body and the handle. All done! Now it's time for coloring. Let's use orange for the hair blower. Dab some on the handle as well. For the body, let's use yellow. For the circle, let's use pink. Wow, I love how colorful this hairdryer is. Now turn on the hairdryer and start from the top to the bottom. Let's dry Dolly's hair. Look guys, Dolly's hair is all dried up. Look how happy she is with her golden blonde hair. Aw, she's thanking us. Today has been so much fun. See you guys next week.